Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you have not watched my walk around review of this 2009 Honda City, you can check out the link in the description box. Also, we have started in car info shorts. You can also check that playlist in the I button. So today's video will be on car maintenance. I'll be showing how you can clean your car engine bay at your home itself using all simple things. There are a lot of degreasing agents and cleaning solutions available in the market, but here I'll be making use of simple soap solution, and let's see how it works. So you need only these things: a soap solution which I have already prepared using a detergent powder and water, and I have already transferred it to this spray bottle. I had taken this paintbrush and a waste toothbrush, also some clothes. At present, my car engine bay is not in a very bad condition, but I could able to see some dirt and also stains. First, I am using the dry paintbrush to remove all the dust. So next you can start applying the soap solution everywhere, and using the toothbrush you can brush it out wherever you see the dirt. So I could able to see this solution is working somehow. Once you're done with the brushing, just wipe it out using a dry cloth. After completing this process, again use clean water, spray it, brush it out and wipe it using clean cloth just to remove the oily content of the detergent. So I'm done, and this is the difference. I hope this video will be useful. If you have any doubts, just leave a comment. For more such interesting videos, you can subscribe to us and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next interesting video.